Hello and welcome guys to HK Cricket Football. Guys, in this video I will tell you about which records can Leo Messi break this season. Leo Messi is arguably one of the greatest players to have graced the UEFA Champions League. Messi, who created records glow in the UCL, could make a few more in the latest edition of the competition. He is one of the only players in the history of the Champions League to score over 100 goals for a single club. However, his tally of 116 goals in the competition, all scored for Barcelona, is the most netted by a player in the Champions League for one club. 5 Champions League records Leo Messi could break in 2020-2021. The Argentina captain commenced his 17th season in the Champions League by becoming the first player to score in 16 consecutive seasons in the competition. In the process, also scoring against a record extending 36 different Champions League opponents. On that note, let us have a look at 5 other records the Leo Messi could break in the latest edition of the Champions League. Number 1. Score 70 group stage goals. Leo Messi goals may have dried up in recent times, but the players remain a force to be reckoned with, especially in the Champions League. In the process, Leo Messi extended his record tally of goals he scored in the group stage of Champions League to 69, which is already 6 clear of the next best players, Cristiano Ronaldo. If the Barcelona captain finds the back of the net once more before the knockout rounds this season, which he is likely to, he will become the first player in Champions League history to score 70 goals in the group stage of the competition. At number 2, score a 9th hat-trick. Among his bevy of scoring records in the Champions League, Leo Messi is the first player to score 8 hat-tricks in the competition, a mark later emulated only by Cristiano Ronaldo. The Argentinian, who is one of the 2 players to have scored 5 goals in a Champions League game, could assume outright ownership of the record if he managed another hat-trick in the ongoing edition of the competition. At number 3, scored 50 knockout stage goals. During his stellar career in club football, especially in the Champions League, Leo Messi scored 47 goals in the knockout stage of the competition. It is tally that is surpassed by only one other player, Cristiano Ronaldo, 67. This season, Leo Messi extended his own record by scoring against a record extended 36th team in the Champions League. If he scored twice more in the knockout stages of the 2020-2021 Champions League, he will become the first player after Cristiano Ronaldo to reach the landmark of 50 goals in that stage of competition. At number 4, become the 4th player to appear in 150 Champions League games, with 144 appearances in the Champions League tournament proper group stage to final. Leo Messi is the 5th most capped player, second active in the history of competition. If the Barcelona captain racked up 6 more appearances in the 2020-2021 Champions League, he will join an exclusive club of only 4 players to play 150 games in the competition. Number 5, become the 2nd player to win a 5th UEFA Champions League title. Leo Messi won his 4th and latest Champions League title in the 2014-2015 edition of the competition, when Barcelona became the first club to win multiple continental trebles. If the Catalan club do manage to achieve the feat, Leo Messi will join Cristiano Ronaldo as the only players to win 5 titles in the competition since it was rebranded and took its current name in 1992. So guys, comment in the comment box that which record can Leo Messi break this season. So guys, if you like the video, hit the like button and make sure you guys subscribe the HK Cricket Football channel and hit the bell icon.